guys, with the golden zero add-in, we have new guns. So here's how to put attachments. First, get any guns you want. I'll get the MK556. Make sure, yeah. You have to go in creative mode because you cannot craft these guns. So first, go to here. Get a blueprint. Ignore the gold print. Put it on your 9th slot here. Now, tap. Now you're in attachment mode. Put any attachments you like. I'll put this one. Now, be ready with the ultimate gun. Now after that, time to test. Get a lot of bullets since this raises a lot of bullets. Get a lot of like these, a lot. This is enough.
4 a.m. natutulog. Kasarapan ng tulog ng tao.
Now, get ready with the best loadout. Because let's experiment this. First we go sleep. Place a bed. Let me change it to Oh wait, no. Carry on this zombie city. No, where's the bed? Hold on, I gotta understand screen. And to end those zombies can. Now spawn some. Wait, let me check.
Kasi marami tayong kababayan na hindi makauwi dito. So, okay natin, kaya na lang ang pumunta para balikan. Sige, nagawa natin ito para sa mga TNT ba? Kasi hindi sila makakita.
It's not in the box. Mayan mo na!
Ayan.
Sabi daw ni Tito yan mo na.
Oh, yeah. di ba yan? Ayan, si Vice. Paborito mo ba yan si Vice? Vice?
Hindi.
Ang pamilya naman mo.
Bakit? Hindi ka ba ako iihi?
Ano
Hindi ako nga iihi. Hindi pa ako nagpupunta kasi
Suot mo.
Bakit? Bago-bago yan eh.
Bakit yan?
Kahapon lang yun eh.
Dito na lang natin. Sabay mo na sa ano. Papetit mo na.
Rumasin.
O,
sige
pwede
na.
na rin to. Taas mo.
Mama? Sige na. Mamaya kunti. Magbibitan.
this one? Great, these slimes are so annoying, but you know how to put
Oy,
attachments.
ibigay, ano mo kay, ano yan, kay Joey.